Recyclers, what's going on? Hope everyone is doing well. My name is Carlos, and I would like to share something quickly with you guys. As a second generation mechanic shop owner and as owner of a small used car dealer, I'm relying on used auto parts more than ever. With potential tires driving prices up, keeping repair costs down is becoming harder. So used auto parts are becoming essential. But let's be honest, finding used auto parts locally can be a hassle. Quick example, I'm currently trying to find 2 rims for a car I bought at the auction. One wheel was missing and the other was curved. So I started with car-parts.com. I entered the VIN, make, model, and I got the long list. And after unfortunately calling several yards down the list, I quickly discovered that the information wasn't often up to date. Some parts listed have already been sold or were no longer in stock. Next, I tried Facebook Marketplace. One seller still hasn't even replied, and it's been 4 days. Another seller, a salvage yard, showed rims clearly available in their listing, but after messaging, said they were already sold. Instead, they were trying to sell me another set of rims. More wasted time for me and for them. Then there's eBay. Sure, the rims were available, but after factoring the fees, shipping, and the markup, the cost skyrocketed. I might have to buy them there. Not ideal, but I'm running out of time and local options. But I know someone locally here in Houston has these rims sitting on their yard. They just don't always list parts online because it takes too long, too much time and effort. To tackle this exact problem, I built something. It's called LiveYards. LiveYards is straightforward. It takes less than 5 minutes to set up. There's no inventory to constantly update, and it's entirely keyword driven. You simply select the makes and models you carry, and whenever someone requests a part, you instantly see it, just like scrolling through social media. If you got the part, respond directly with your price. Also, you don't have to be glued to it, since LiveYards has a notification system which alerts you when a new request comes in. If you're interested in joining, the link is below. It's completely free during our early access phase as we grow the network. My goal is to better connect recyclers, mechanic shops, and people who genuinely need parts. It's an app built for you, so please share your feedback. I'm committed to continually improving it. Thanks for listening, and I hope to see you guys on LiveYards. Remember, it's completely free to join right now.